Today, we're going to talk about different types of bass lines. Often, but not always, in music, oftentimes the melody is sung or played in the upper registers, and a lot of times the harmony is sung or played in the lower registers. The harmony often consists of chords and bass notes. As we've learned, chords exist when one or more notes are played at the same time. When written down, these notes are often stacked, one on top of the other. The note at the bottom of the stack is often referred to as the bass note. Sometimes, composers want to emphasize or bring out the bass note. Patterns of bass notes can sometimes sound very rhythmic. Sometimes, the bass notes can even sound like a melody. The pattern of bass notes is often called the bass line. There are many types of bass lines that have even become popular and standard in different styles and genres of music. Let's take a look at a few. Stride bass, sometimes referred to as oompa, a lower bass note, and then a higher chord is played in succession. See? And then another lower bass note and a higher chord. Okay? And you're going to play that in repeated patterns. So waltzes, folk songs, and ragtime music often use a stride bass. Sounds like this. Walking bass. All right, lower bass notes are played with few or no chords and can resemble a melody. Jazz music is known for walking bass lines. Kind of sounds like this. Alberti bass. Bass lines consisting of broken, or arpeggiated chords, and they're often played in a higher register. This style, named after Domenico Alberti, can be played smooth and flowing, or with a tinkle like a music box. Sounds something like this. Now we have murky bass. So these are bass notes consisting of broken octaves, usually in a low-high pattern, right? Low-high, low-high. Sounds something like this. Pedal bass, when a single bass note, right, is held for a long time or repeated many times without changing. See how it repeats? But it's the same, right? It goes through. Okay, and then even if the harmony in the upper register changes, we keep that bass note. Sounds something like this. And finally, we have Boogie Woogie bass. Originated for dances, it's characterized by a repeated, energized bass line figure, and it's transposed as the harmony changes. It sounds something like this. In modern popular music, bass lines often consist of riffs or grooves, which are short, catchy, exciting phrases that are repeated throughout the song. All right, now let's take a look. Below here are some popular bass line riffs or grooves. Can you identify some of the tunes? All right, so for these next few pages, you're going to play them and you're going to try to figure out what the tunes are. And if you need some help, you can ask your friends, you can ask your family, you can ask your teachers, and I'll put them up on the screen here so you can play with them. So today, we learned about different kinds of bass lines. And we played a variety of bass lines on the piano. In our next video, we're going to learn a song called Skip to My Lou, and it uses 3 different kinds of bass lines. So keep practicing all your songs, play around with all those bass lines, and we'll see you in the next video. Prestissima out!